Congress demands 10-day assembly session. CLP meets and decides today's demand in BAC meeting. Opposes winter session for only 3 days. Raj Bhavan opened for public for 365 days. Tourism department starts Raj Bhavan Darshan. Book online and visit the most beautiful place. Deputy Collector admits Minister Milind Naik's bungalow is on government land. Congress says don't legalize the house. Ball thrown in government's court. Madgaon Urban to take legal action against lady whose gold was missing. Ex-manager says it's negligence of bank, holds officers responsible. I'm Anjali and now the news in detail. Congress has demanded a minimum 10-day assembly session. The winter session beginning on 29 January will end in 3 days. The first day would be Governor's address and only 2 days for question hour.
The Congress Legislature Party met on Friday in view of the forthcoming assembly session. GPCC President Girish Chodankar was also present. The opposition MLAs have decided to demand in the Business Advisory Committee meeting to extend the session for 10 days.
Assembly सुद्धा ज्या पयली आसा ती अवघ्या 3 दिसाची पण 3 दीस जर तशें पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार क्वेश्चन आवर फक्त 2 दीस. एक दीस गव्हर्नर एड्रेस सुरवातीचो आनी क्वेश्चन घालपाक फक्त आमकां 2 दीस संदी मेळटा ज्या 8 आनी 9 तारीख जे लास्ट आसा आनी 3 दिसांतले 2 दीस फक्त क्वेश्चन आनी 2 दिसाक क्वेश्चन घालून जे वरसभराचें जे कार्य चल्लें आसा खास करून गेल्ली असेंब्ली सुद्धा पयली 22 दिसाची अनाउन्स जाली तेजे उपरांत 4 दिसाची हाडली आनी तेजे उपरांत परत बजेट सेशन म्हणून 12 दिसाची घेतले म्हण आख्खें वरसभर असेंब्ली फक्त 12 आनी 4 16 दिसच चल्ल्या जाल्यार 2 दिसां भितर हे प्रश्न मांडप कशें क्वेश्चन आमी घालप कशी इतली क्वेश्चन कितली क्वेश्चन आवर म्हणटा 1 वराचो आसता म्हणजे सरकार हे फक्त ही असेंब्ली घेवपा जाय म्हणून घेवप ताका लागून जी BSc मिटींग जातली अजून डेट फिक्स जाली ना तेजेर BSc मिटींग एज ए लिडर ऑपोजिशन म्हजो आग्रह आसतलो डिमांड आसतलो की हे सेशन जे आसा तें वाडोवचें हे कमीच कमी 10 दीस तरी सेशन जावपा जाय.
Our video journalist Yashwant Parab from Parvarim.
Good news for Goans, especially students as well as tourists. Goa Governor's Raj Bhavan would now be open for public for 365 days, not only on Republic Day. Tourism Department has launched Raj Bhavan Darshan. You can now go around the whole Raj Bhavan. Goa's Raj Bhavan is one of the most beautiful buildings Portuguese has built on Dona Paul Bay. Under the new scheme of Tourism Department, the Raj Bhavan Darshan was thrown open throughout the year at the hands of Governor Mridula Sinha, Tourism Minister Babu Asgaonkar, GTDC Chairman Dayanand Sopte and others were present. A souvenir of Raj Bhavan was also unveiled on the occasion. And yes, you can simply go to Raj Bhavan website and book your visit 3 days in advance.
It's all benefit. आमचे गोंयकारच नाही तर गोंयन आमचे जे टुरिस्ट भाव भयण येतात देशी विदेशी असतात हांकांय बऱ्यापैकी जातलो आणि हे गोंयांतसून आमचे टुरिस्ट जे येतात हे भायर वयता आसतना एक बऱ्यापैकी एक याद या गोंयची याद म्हूण घेवन भायर वयतले.
A video journalist Irshad Sheikh from Dona Paul. Residents of Baina are taken by surprise after their houses were marked for demolition. No notices are issued to them, but they have been told that their houses would be demolished in 4 days. This time, 25 houses.
After marking the houses, officials of Mamlatdar and Deputy Collector told them verbally that the houses will be demolished within 4 days. They have already lost the case in High Court. Deputy Collector Mahadev Arandekar said he has received a letter from the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to clear this house citing violations. The demolition date has not been finalized yet.
अभी 2 साल हो गया हमको ऐसा सताता है लोग 2 साल ये जगह तो हम लोग खरीद लिया डेम्पो तरफ से खाली परमिशन नहीं दिया हम लोग को इतना गलती हम लोग का बांधने के टाइम में परमिशन नहीं दिया इतना हमारा गलती है उसका फाइन देने तो हम उसका फाइन देने को रेडी है हम लोग.
ये जो है ना प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी है तो ये अभी तक हमारा सॉल्व नहीं हुआ. हालांकि पीछे बाजू जो है ना वो इलीगल है अभी तक हमारा क्लियर भी नहीं हुआ. वो लोग आया कैसा फिर कल जाके हमने वो ये दे दिया कल ही दिया नहीं कल ही जाके दिया है कलेक्टर को दिया है वो और कौन सा मामलेदार को दिया है और दूसरा तीसरा कौन है हमारा चेयरपर्सन को भी दिया है फिर CRZ में भी दे के आया.
जे लोक सध्या सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचूंक ना आनी तेंच्यांनी स्टे घेवंक ना ते स्ट्रक्चर्स काडा म्हणून लेटर धाडलेलें आसा आनी ते लेटर हांवें मामलेदाराक धाडला आयडेंटिफाय करपाक ती खंयची स्ट्रक्चर्स पळय ती कितें ते लोकूय बीन सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचपाच्या तयारीन आसा आनी तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी पिटिशन तयार केल्लें आसा म्हणून आयकलां. सो ते जर जायना जाल्यार मागीर डिमॉलिश जातले.
Congress leader Sankalp Amunkar appealed government and Mormugaon MLA Milind Naik not to do injustice to the local who are living in Baina for many years.
हांगा हे बारीक लोक आसा, सादे लोक आसा, गरीब लोक आसा, हेंची डेमोलिश करून तुमकां कितें मेळपाचें आसा. खंय तरी गोवोरमेंटान हेवूय लोकांक एक तर रिहेबिलिटेट करची नाल्यार हेंची रेग्युलरायज करून दिवची, हेंचेर अन्याय करचो न्हू.
Meanwhile, one house belonging to Alexio D'Souza was partially gutted in fire near Candelria Church at Baina on Thursday late evening. Luckily, no one was hurt as the family had gone for a wedding.
हांगा नासलो, काजराक गेलोलो आसलो. काजरा वचून येता म्हणल्यार म्हाका कोणें फोन केलो की घरा कडेन उजो लागलो म्हणून. उजो घरा कडेन येता म्हणून सगळें काबार जालेलें. किचन तो आख्खें लासून काबार जाला आनी बेडरुमान पासून उजो लागलेलो आनी म्हाजे मेन डॉक्युमेंट सगळे आहले ते पासून आसले सगळे. सो ताका खबर ना.
भरपूर उजो पेटलेलो. पेटतकच आमी कितें केलें, आमी भितर वचपाक आनी चान्स दिसले. पयलीं भायल्या वटेन फाटल्या वटेन मारून घेतले, मागीर एक दार फोडले आमी ते. तितल्यान आमचें कांय जावंक ना. तेंची ओनर.
Our reporter Hiru Mahale in Baina.
The two-story villa of Urban Development Minister Milind Naik at Mormugaon is again surrounded with controversy. Goa Youth Congress has filed objection before Deputy Collector Mahadev Arundekar not to give regularization certificate to Naik. Deputy Collector has admitted that it's built in government property.
Congress had earlier alleged that Milind Naik has constructed his villa illegally on government land in connivance with government officials. Youth Congress President Varad Mardolkar told media that Naik has committed fraud while getting approval for hill cutting and construction permissions from Mormugaon PDA and Mormugaon Municipal Council. Congress has also demanded action against the authorities involved in illegalities of Naik.
फाटींच गव्हर्मेंटान एक कायदो काडलेलो जेणे करून इल्लिगल जी स्ट्रक्चर्स आसा ती रेग्युलरायज करूं शकताले. पूण तेतून स्पेसिफीक मेन्शन आसा की कमुनदाद लँड, गव्हर्मेंट लँड किंवा CRZ फॉरेस्ट ह्या जमनीन जी घरां आसतलीं एका ही रेग्युलरायजेशन जावची ना. अशें आसतना सगळ्यात पयलीं म्हणल्यार जेन्ना डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफीस जेन्ना रेग्युलरायजेशनाक जेन्ना एप्लिकेशन येता तेजेर हांगा डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक नोटीस काडटा आनी ती नोटीस बोर्डार मारता. खरी म्हणल्यार ती आज न्यूजपेपराचेर पब्लीश जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली जेणे करून सगळे जनतेक कळपाक जाय आशिल्लें की बाबा मंत्र्यान आपले इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर रेग्युलेशनाक मागला.
Mormugaon Deputy Collector Mahadev Arundekar admitted that Milind Naik's villa stands in a government property. It is government decision whether to regularize or not, and accordingly decision will be taken.
Application कितें आसा correspondence that will be decided by the government. It's a government land. म्हाका फक्त प्रोसेस कितें आसा तो करपाचो and then I have to forward it to the collector and it will go to revenue department and government will decide whether to regularize or allow that encroachment or not.
Our reporter Hiru Mahale in Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The board of Madgaon Urban Cooperative Bank has decided to file a complaint and take legal action against the lady whose gold was found missing from the locker. Later, it was found in an adjoining open locker. But some people blame the bank authorities, calling it total negligence.
A lady from Madgaon had filed a police complaint that she found her gold ornaments worth 10 lakh rupees missing from the locker of Madgaon Urban Cooperative Bank. After 3 days, the bank handed over her gold, saying it was found in an open locker above her locker. Bank Managing Director Kishore Amunkar feels that she might have kept the gold in the open locker and locked up her own locker. Since the lady is holding bank responsible for this incident, the board has now decided to initiate legal action against her.
46 वर्साची हिस्ट्रीन असो इन्सिडंट केन्ना जावना. हे आमी कोणी आमचेच न्ही खंयच्याय बँकेन आमी मागीर काल परवान डिसिजन घेतली की ताजेर जो पळय आमचे बँकेचे नांव पेडाय करता लिगल एडवायस घेवन ताजी कंप्लेन करची किंवा ताजेर लिगल एक्शन घेवचें. दिस इज डिसिजन टेकन येस्टरडे. बोर्ड कितें म्हणटा की फायंड आउट द फॅक्ट्स. समजा तातूंत जर आमचे जर ताणें मुद्दम जर ते करता कित्याक ज्या वेळार ज्या दिसा ती हांगा आयली तेन्ना ताणें सांगलें आयजच्यान मॅटर सोंपलो. टायड एवरीथींग कॅप्ट इन दीस लॉकर. ते लॉकर ओपन आशिल्ली ओपन केलां भितर दवरलां आनी गोल्ड घेतलां and she has locked this. She has locked this locker. Gold anatullo.
At a press conference, the bank authorities could not tell the media why the bank did not hand over the gold to the lady in the presence of the police, since they had already conducted Panchanama. Chandan Naik, who retired as the bank manager after working for 35 years in Madgaon Urban Bank, blames the branch manager as well as the chairman for the utter negligence.
हो इन्सिडंट हांवें पेपराचेर वाचून म्हाका कळ्ळें लोकाराचे बद्दल की तिजे गोल्ड मिसींग म्हणून तिणें कंप्लेन दिली ऑन 24 डिसेंबर हो इन्सिडंट जालो. अशी केस एक्चुअली पयली फाट हांव आयकतां. म्हाका दिसता बँकेचे हातूंत भितर सिस्टमा भितर फर्स्ट टायम हे भांगर ना जाता लॉकरांतलें विदावट म्हणजे लॉकर लॉक आशिल्लें भांगर आतां पयली फाट आयकतां. दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे दोनूच चावी लायले शिवाय केन्नाच लॉकर ओपन जायना. आतां ते हांवें इन्सिडंट तुमी सांगले त्या प्रमाणे तांणी पळय प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतला तातूंत तो आमचो मॅनेजींग डायरेक्टर म्हणटा की वयले लॉकर ओपन आशिल्लें तातूंत ते तिणें सगळें लॉकर बिकर काडलें आनी जेन्ना ती वता आसतना तें चुकून तो तागेलो मनीस दोग जाण गेल्ले म्हण भितर ताणें काडून तें वयर दवरलें जें ओपन आशिल्लें लॉकरान आनी तिगेलो लॉकरान चावी मारली आनी ती गेली. हो इन्सिडंट केन्ना जालो आसतलो एक 4 म्हयने पयलीं काय 5 म्हयने पयलीं 6 म्हयने ताची पयलीं आयली ती. पयली गजाल म्हणजे एज पर द रूल्स वॉट आय नो एज अ एक्स ब्रांच मॅनेजर ऑफ द बँक RBI गायडलायन्सा प्रमाणे स्ट्रॉंग रूमा भितर खंयचेय लॉकर अनयूज लॉकर डॅमेज लॉकर हे ओपन आसपा जायना. ते सील्ड आसपा जाय. सो हे लॉकर ओपन उरलें कशें बरें जेन्ना भांगर तुजें मेळ्ळें म्हणटा केन्ना मेळ्ळें आफ्टर 3 days 3 दिसांनी मेळ्ळें. तेन्ना पुलिसीन पयलीं इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्लें तेन्ना ताणें पुलीस पंचनामा केले शिवाय ते कशें भांगर दिलें. एक्चुअली म्हजे कोतान दीस इज टोटली निग्लिजन्स ऑन द बाय द बँक बाय द ब्रांच मॅनेजर आनी हे तुगेले हेड ऑफिस चेंज आसले कारणान आय एम ऑल्सो ब्लेमिंग द हेड ऑफिस एक्चुअल मॅनेजींग डायरेक्टर हे आनी ताजे पळय कन्सर्न हे स्टाफ आसा ऑफिसर. बँकेचें नांव ऑलरेडी बदनाम आसा मार्केटाक. बँक इज इन आज रसा तळाला आयिल्ली आसा. 50 crores क्रॉस जाल्लो आहा लॉसीस of the bank by September 2018 balance sheet पळयली.
Our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut from Madgaon.
Sangay Police has booked a police constable as well as deputy sarpanch and panch of Netuli for assaulting a man in police custody. Victim is the husband of Shiv Sena Vice President Rakhi Amit Naik Prabhudesai. The accused were booked after Rakhi lodged FIR with South Goa SP.
In March last year, Amit Naik was issued non-bailable summons by a Pune court in connection with a financial dealing and was arrested by police in Sangay village. Speaking to the media, Shiv Sena Vice President Rakhi Naik Prabhudesai has alleged that her husband was beaten up in police custody by a police constable, deputy sarpanch, panch and another person. Shiv Sena Goa had submitted memorandum to Director General of Police Muktesh Chandar seeking investigation into the custodial assault. She has demanded that constable should be suspended from service and the accused be arrested immediately.
तो असॉल्ट केल्ल्याचो मागचो मुख्य हेतू आशिल्लो ताजे थ्रू म्हाका जे ताजी बायल राखी नायक हाका सोशली ह्युमिलेट करपाचें. हातूंतले जो अभिजीत देसाय आसा ताजेर हांवें इलिगल टोल कलेक्शन जे चलतालें जे तांणी केल्लें ताजेर हांवें उक्तावण केल्लें लोकां मदीं एक्सपोज केल्लो. इतलेंच न्ही हांवें FIR रजिस्टर केल्ली. शंतनू गांव तातूंत भितर आसा ताणें तो इलिगल लिकल लायसन्स चलयतालो नेत्रावळी वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी भितर. ताकाय हांवें एक्सपोज केल्लो. ताजेर कंप्लेन जाल्ली आनी ऑलरेडी त्या कंप्लेनांतल्यान पुढच्या म्हयन्या भितर एक्सायज कमिशनरान तें लायसन आसा तें कॅन्सल केल्लें. सांगेम पोलिसान आपली बचावक पवित्रा घेतलो. तांणी आपल्या जो ऑफिशल आशिल्लो सोमेश इवन जे लोकल्स आशिल्ले तांकां तांणी पाठराखण केली आनी तेन्ना इन्वेस्टिगेट करून दिलें की अशें कांय घडलें ना. वॉट एवर दॅट हॅपन इज एज पर द लॉ. सांगे पुलीस स्टेशना भितर FIR रजिस्टर्ड जाल्या. FIR रजिस्टर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 323, 504, 506 ऑफ IPC आणि अगेन्स्ट अभिजीत देसाय डेप्युटी सरपंच ऑफ नेत्रावळी, उल्हास गांवस, शंतनू गांवस एलियास शंतनू गांवस, प्रकाश भगत पंच ऑफ विलेज पंचायत नेत्रावळी आणि सोमेश फळदेसाय हू इज अ police constable attached to Vichundrem police station.
Our video journalist Shyam Chari in Panji.
Congress spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu had quoted a Konkani aphorism, "Bapui dakai na zalya shraddh kar," regarding Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. To protest this, Penne Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha took out a funeral procession of Desh Prabhu in Penne and lit fire to his effigy in front of his palace's house.
Few youth activists of BJYM carried the effigy of Jitendra Deshprabhu in procession all around Perne market on Thursday and then lit fire to his effigy in front of Deshprabhu's house. Police blocked them at the gate.
बापूय दाखयात नाल्यार श्राद्ध घाला. फुडली जी प्रथा आसा ती तेका करूनी नाल्यार तेंच्या कोणा फॅमिली मेंबरांक ती करूनी. 1 तारखेक आमचो मुखेलमंत्री लाडको मुखेलमंत्री श्री मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हे सेक्रेटरिएटान वचून तेंच्यांनी आपले मिनिस्टरा बरोबर बसून बैठका घेतली. तशें हेच्या फुडें भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा गोवा प्रदेश अशें काँग्रेसच्या फोटिंगपणार समज तेंच्यांनी परत केली तर आमी उगी रावचे ना. आमच्या मनोहर भाईर जो कोण उलयतलो तेका आमी कशेंच उगी रावचे ना.
भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा नाही तर सबंद भारतीय जनता पार्टी उगी रावची ना. ह्याच्या पुढे ह्याच्यापेक्षाही पुढे जातली आणि आणखीन तीव्र लढो जातलो काँग्रेसीच्या नेत्यार. तर त्यांच्यानी आपली जबान जमावून जीप समावून वक्तव्य करपाचे इतले जाऊ सांगतो.
A reporter Sandeep Kamulkar from Penne.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Margao Municipal Council has begun to clean up SGPDA's wholesale fish market of Margao. This biggest wholesale fish market of Goa, run by South Goa Planning and Development Authority, was lying in neglected state and its gutters were not cleaned up for many years.
Margao Municipal Chief Officer Siddhivinayak Naik had conducted a joint inspection of the wholesale fish market with officials of the SGPDA on Thursday. He asked the South Goa Planning Body to deposit 1 lakh rupees with the civic body so as to carry out the cleaning work of the drains. The drains were choked with plastic waste and fish waste. The civic body has begun clearing the drains using an earth mover. The chief officer said the next stop will be the chicken market.
This legacy waste, I think it will take almost a couple of days to get entirely removed, because we have to clear almost more than 200 meters of drain principally. Then of course we will be moving inside. I am optimistic that we would be successful in our endeavor. Subsequently we are taking action on the waste which is generated at the chicken market.
Our reporter Sandeep Twinkle from Margao.
It's an irony that we shout slogans of Clean India and throw garbage on the road at the same time. Heaps of garbage were piled up on Mapsa Shioli Road. The Mana Shioli Panchayat on Friday cleared the whole garbage.
People used to suffer while going from Siolim to Mapsa due to the foul smell of this garbage. Dogs and cattle were also seen eating this garbage. Locals along with the Panchayat members cleaned up the garbage. Sylvester Fernandez, Panch member of Vadi Bamanwado, said that the Marna Panchayat had sent a proposal 1.5 years ago for house-to-house collection of garbage. It is still pending before the Directorate of Panchayats.
Vadi Panch and Bamanwado Panch, we are standing over here. Last 1.5 years, we are cleaning this area. Till today, we are getting lot of problem. खूप प्रॉब्लेम जाता आमकां. घाटी लोक मेळना, ते काडूंक येयनात, किडे घुसपुसतात सगळे भितर. प्लस तरी आसतना आमी ताका बाबा पुता करून काम करून घेता. 1.5 वर्स जाले. तर हेचेर आमी गव्हर्मेंटाकूय आमची फायल पुटअप केलेली आसा. पुटअप केलेली म्हणल्यार आयज पासून ती फायल आमकां तेणे डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतीन पास करूंक ना. गार्बेज फायल हांव मागता ती आमची एकदां पास करून दिवची म्हणून.
येयल्लो गेल्लो लोक हांगर उडयतात, मागीर गायी पंचायतीक आनी गायी आमकां खावचे पडटात. आमी जाता इतलो प्रयत्न केला हें काडपाक आनी आजून पासून आमी काडटात.
A reporter Sandeep Kamulkar from Sioli.
Goa's bodybuilders have started fighting among themselves. Rejecting the old association, some bodybuilders have built a new association. They have made several allegations against the old association.
Murmugao Councillor Daji Sarkar is the president of this newly formed Goa Bodybuilders Association. Unlike the old one, they have also registered the body.
की लॉट ऑफ इलिगॅलिटीज पयलीं जाल्ल्यो आसा. पयलींच्या एसोसिएशनान बॉडी बिल्डर्सांचेर अन्याय जाल्लो आसा. तांकां जे तांचे मेळपाचे आशिल्ले ड्यू तांकां मेळिल्ले ना. आनी हाच्या खातीर सगळे बॉडी बिल्डर्स जेन्ना तांकां संताप आयलो की बाबा अशें ओल्ड एसोसिएशन अशे त्रास करता म्हणून तांणी एप्रोच करतकूच आमी हें एसोसिएशन फॉर्म केल्लें आसा. आमी सगळे लायक मायंडेड आसा हांगा आनी खंयचोच असो मनीस ना जो आपलो खंयचो तरी दुसरे मोटीव घेवन हांगा येयला. आनी अशे बॉडी बिल्डर इतले पॅशनान डिटर्मिनेशनान इतले करता आसतना ताजेर अन्याय जावपाक जायना. ताका पळय कितें मेळपा जाय तें मेळूंकूच जाय. ह्या एकाच हेतून आमी हें एसोसिएशन फॉर्म केलां.
फॅक्ट्स जे ओल्ड एसोसिएशनान जे चल्लेले इलिगॅलिटीज म्हणजे जो संजय पाटील प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ ओल्ड बॉडी बिल्डिंग एसोसिएशनाचो प्रेजिडेंट आसा तेणें जे इलिगली जे एसोसिएशन चलिल्लें आसा एसोसिएशन तेजे ऑलरेडी अनरेजिस्टर्ड जाल्लें आसा इन 2014 बट टील 2018 ते रजिस्टर्ड जाल्लें ना जरी तो ते चलयता. फ्रॉम 2009 ही इज ओन्ली द होल अँड सोल म्हटल्यार आतां ताका मेजॉरिटी कन्सर्न ना कोणाचे तो एडवायसीस घेना काय घेना आनी फ्रॉम 2009 ही इज only as a president he is functioning.
Our reporter Hiru Mahale from Vasco.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to keep watching it on your mobile. Keep watching.